According to Pure Concern, Quora, aside from visual light and heat, even in 1 second, Rigel would probably send out an amount of harmful electromagnetic radiation that would be extremely dangerous, if not lethal, to all life on Earth. Because of its big size, Rigel would swallow the orbit of Mercury and come pretty close to where Venus is.
What will happen if another star replaces our sun?
According to Quora, if the
According to
Sirius star
Quora,
replaced our sun
if
for
the
an hour,
Sirius
it
star
is likely that there would be significant consequences for Earth. The increased brightness from Sirius could cause a dramatic increase in temperatures, potentially leading to global warming or even mass extinctions.
replaced our sun for an hour, it is likely that there would be significant consequences for Earth. The increased brightness from Sirius could cause a dramatic increase in temperatures, potentially leading to global warming or even mass extinctions.
What is Earth's second moon?
According to NBC6 South Florida, a second moon joined the Earth's orbit on Sunday, September 29th. The mini-moon is actually a small asteroid, the size of a school bus, that is known as 2024 PT5. This solar rock has entered the gravitational pull along with the moon and will briefly orbit Earth.
How many moons will the Earth have in the future?